A flow meter is an instrument used to measure the amount of fluid, either liquid or gas, that passes through a pipe or a conduit. The working principle of a flow meter depends on its type, as there are different types available for different applications. One of the most common types of flow meters is the differential pressure flow meter, which uses the pressure difference created by the flow of the fluid through an obstruction in the pipe to determine the flow rate. The greater the pressure difference, the higher the flow rate. Another type is the ultrasonic flow meter, which uses sound waves to determine the flow rate of the fluid. It sends ultrasonic waves through the fluid and measures the difference in the speed of the waves traveling with and against the flow. Magnetic flow meters use the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction to determine the flow rate. As the fluid passes through the magnetic field, it generates a voltage that is proportional to the flow rate. Finally, the vortex flow meter measures the frequency of vortices generated by the fluid flow as it passes through a bluff body. The frequency is proportional to the flow rate. In summary, flow meters work based on different physical principles to measure the flow rate of fluids accurately and efficiently.